Dear student, welcome to this session. Myself Khalil Ahmed Chikkerur, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SS Government First Grade College, Nargul. In this session, we discuss about the definition of normal subgroup and its property. So let us start with normal subgroups. Definition: if H is a subgroup of a group G, then H is called as normal subgroup of G if AH equal to HA for each A belongs to G. So note, if AH equal to HA, then for each AH belongs to AH and AH equal to HA, hence for some H dash belongs to H, AH equal to H dash A. Thus, when H is a normal subgroup of a group G, we can find H comma H dash belongs to H such that AH equal to H dash A. The trivial subgroup number 2, singleton E and G of a group and G are normal subgroup of G because A into singleton E is E into A equal to A and AG equal to GA equal to G for all A belongs to G. So, some examples of normal subgroup. Example 1, let G be an abelian group, then any subgroup of G is normal. So G is abelian means 4 property along with commutative property. Second example, let G be any group. Recall that the center of G is the set Z of G equal to set of all X belongs to G such that Gx equal to Xg for all G belongs to G. Then the center of G of G is a subgroup of G, and clearly G of Z of G is always a normal subgroup of G. Moreover, any subgroup of Z of G is a normal subgroup. Fourth example, if G is S3, permutation of S3, H equal to 1 into, which is equal to E into 1 into. To prove this subgroup is not normal, it satisfies to find a single G belongs to G such that G of H is not equal to H of G. So we will show that G is 1, 3 has this property. Then we have GH. GH is order pair 1, 3, 1, 3 into 1, 2. So it is equal to 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. And Hg is 1, 3, 1, 2 and 1, 3, which is equal to 1, 3 and 1, 3, 2. Since 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3 is not equal to 1, 3 and 1, 3, 2 as a set, so H is not a normal subgroup of G. So properties of normal subgroups. Theorem number 1, a subgroup H of a group G is a normal if and only if A inverse H into A belongs to H for each H belongs to H and for each A belongs to G. So a subgroup H of G is normal if and only if inverse into A inverse HA belongs to H. Note, since A inverse HA belongs to H for each H belongs to H and for each A belongs to G, it is equivalent to the statement H equal to A inverse HA for each A belongs to G. Second note, the above theorem is important characterization of normal of subgroup, which gives another definition of normal. So definition, two elements A and B are said to be conjugate in G if there exists G belongs to G such that B equal to G inverse into A into G or A equal to G inverse B into G. Note, if A and B are conjugate, then B and A are also conjugate. Second one, the identity element E belongs to G is itself conjugate since E equal to X inverse E into X. If A and B are conjugate, then A inverse and B inverse are also conjugate. Second property in the form of theorem number 2, if H is a subgroup of a group G, then G inverse HG equal to G inverse HG such that H belongs to H is also a subgroup of G for all G belongs to G. So next definition, a subgroup H is said to be self-conjugate subgroup of G if and only if H is that subgroup of G such that G inverse H into G equal to H for each G belongs to G. So next theorem, H is a self-conjugate subgroup of G if and only if H is a normal subgroup. So conjugate subgroup is a normal subgroup and normal subgroup is conjugate subgroup of a G. If H is H is a conjugate subgroup of G, then H is a normal subgroup of G. Then if H is a normal subgroup of G, then H is also self-conjugate subgroup of G. Example, a subgroup H of group G is a normal if the index of H in G is 2. Definition, a subset C of those elements of G which commute with all elements of G is called the center of G. So center of G is C equal to C belongs to G such that CA equal to AC. Thus the center of group is always a normal subgroup of G. So these are references. Thank you.